To start building your own simple backyard watering setup, the very first thing you need to find is an old plastic soda or water bottle. Make sure to give it a really good rinse with warm water first so it is totally clean on the inside. When you are looking for a bottle, keep in mind that size is important here. The bigger the bottle you can find, the better it will be for your plants. A large bottle holds a lot more water, which means you will not have to walk out and refill it every single day. This is perfect if you like to go away for the weekend or just have a busy schedule. Once you have your clean bottle ready, grab a pair of sharp scissors or a utility knife. You want to cut the bottom part of the bottle, but there is a specific trick to it. Do not cut the bottom completely off. Instead, slice almost all the way around the base, but leave a tiny section, just a small fraction of the plastic, still attached at the edge. By leaving that little piece uncut, the bottom of the bottle stays connected. This lets the plastic piece work exactly like a little door hinge. You can swing it open easily whenever you need to pour fresh water inside, and then flip it shut afterward to keep out dirt, leaves, bugs, and to stop the sun from evaporating your water. The second thing you will need for this project is an intravenous kit, which most people just call an IV line. While you could technically find a used one to keep your costs at absolutely zero, it is a much better idea to buy a cheap, clean one instead. Used medical items can carry hidden germs and bacteria that you really do not want seeping into your soil or touching the vegetables you plan to eat later. A brand new IV kit costs very little and keeps your garden safe and healthy. Next, you need to connect your tubing to the bottle. Take the sharp plastic end of the IV line and push it right through the center of the bottle cap. If you see any gaps, you can wrap a bit of tape or put a drop of glue around the hole to seal it up. This ensures all the water travels exactly where it needs to go instead of leaking out the sides. Now that your bottle and tube are connected, it is time to set up the whole system right next to your plants. To make this work, gravity needs to help the water flow downward, so the bottle has to sit higher than the ground. Find a sturdy wooden stick, a bamboo stake, or a piece of plastic pipe and push it deep into the dirt next to your plant. Secure your upside-down water bottle tightly to the stick using some string tape or plastic ties. With the bottle securely standing in the air, flip open your handy bottom flap and fill the container to the top with water. The final step is where you get to control everything. Just like a nurse controls medicine in a hospital, you are going to control the water for your garden. Take the small rolling wheel on the IV tube and turn it slowly. Watch the bottom of the tube and adjust the wheel until you see a very slow, steady drip. This slow dripping works just like a professional watering system. It delivers moisture straight to the roots drop by drop, so no water is wasted. Your soil stays perfectly damp without ever getting muddy, and your plants will thrive with their new steady water supply.